Writing an agentic manifest file, like an AGENTS.md, isn't just about giving an AI access to our project. It's about asserting intentional control over how our codebase evolves. Let's set the stage. Picture ourselves deeply immersed in developing this web application. We have our front end perfectly configured with React, securely typed with TypeScript, and our environment carefully orchestrated. Looking at this setup, we might wonder why we bother explicitly writing out the tech stack inside the manifest. It often feels like we are just repeating what is already glaringly obvious in the codebase itself. After all, couldn't a smart AI simply read our configuration files and figure it out on its own? While it might seem redundant at first glance, explicitly defining our stack is an absolute necessity for 4 crucial reasons. The first reason is to prevent paradigm hallucinations. Knowing a framework is present isn't enough. Many modern frameworks have gone through massive architectural shifts. If an AI merely infers our framework from the environment, it might accidentally generate code using outdated legacy patterns. By explicitly stating your exact paradigms in our manifest, we set a hard boundary that prevents the AI from wandering into the wrong architectural path. Next, we have to consider context efficiency. While an agent certainly has the tools to read our dependency trees and configuration files, doing so consumes valuable processing time and context window tokens. When we state the stack up front in our manifest, we give the AI an immediate, concrete model of our environment before it even has to scan a single file. It makes the entire interaction faster, leaner, and far more focused. This brings us to the third point, establishing ground truth over the current state. In the real world, code bases are messy. They are often in transition, carrying the baggage of legacy libraries we no longer wish to use. If an AI infers the rules from what currently exists, it will simply mimic those bad patterns. We are the one in control of our project's destiny, and our manifest acts as the absolute desired state. It serves as the true north for how new code must be written, completely ignoring the noise of the past. Finally, an explicit manifest provides powerful behavioral priming. When you explicitly declare constraints, like strict mode or compiler enforcement, we are doing more than stating facts. We are priming the AI to adopt a specific mindset. It starts writing highly defensive, perfectly typed code right out of the gate, rather than falling back on relaxed, generic defaults. It ensures the agent respects our high standards from the very first keystroke. By detailing our stack explicitly, we leave zero room for the AI to guess or assume. We retain complete free will over our project's architecture, guiding our digital agents with unwavering precision. It is tempting to think that because an AI can write the code, our days of learning the intricate details of programming are over. The reality is quite the opposite. To write a truly effective manifest, we must possess a deep understanding of our tools. We cannot demand highly optimized data visualizations, strict type safety, or nuanced UI lifecycle patterns if we don't understand them ourselves. The AI is the builder, but we must still be the master architect. And becoming a master architect means constantly refining our blueprints. The best way to elevate our manifest is to look outward and learn from the broader community. By frequently exploring popular open-source projects, we can discover emerging agentic techniques and see exactly how top-tier teams are structuring their own context files. Innovation in the age of AI coding is no longer just about writing functions. It is about mastering the art of instruction. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep refining your rules.